Hi friends, thank you for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. This week I'm going to do a high-end hack with an item that I located on Wayfair. That item was $75 on Wayfair, but I also saw it on other sites for over $200. But here's the big moment. I was able to recreate the item for under $5. So I hope that what I did inspires you to do a project of your own. I also have a housekeeping tip that I'll share with you as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. That plastic wood is used to hide imperfections in wood. It runs about $8 or $9, and you'll find it in any type of home improvement store. To apply it, make sure that you're going with the flow of the wood, and then all you'll need to do is allow it to dry, sand it, and resume with your project. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. Have you ever had those black, disgusting scuff marks on your linoleum floor and you just didn't know how to get rid of it? Well, I have a solution for you, and it's probably something that you have in your house right now. So let's take a look. See you soon.